Hello. When we look up at the night sky, we see stars, but there's so much more out there. Outer space is filled with a variety of fascinating objects, from things as small as asteroids to those as large as galaxies. Let's take a quick tour of some of the most amazing things you can find in our universe. Getting started with stars, stars are huge balls of hot plasma consisting mainly of hydrogen and helium that produce light and heat through the process of nuclear fusion. Our sun is a star, and the sun is the closest star to the Earth. Stars come in different sizes, temperatures, and colors. The color of a star tells us how hot it is. Blue stars are the hottest, and red stars are the coolest. Planets are large objects that orbit around a star. Unlike stars, planets do not produce their own light. They shine because they reflect the light from their star. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are also dwarf planets like Pluto and many planets outside our solar system called exoplanets. Moons, also called natural satellites, are objects that orbit a planet. Earth has one moon, some planets have no moons, and other planets have many moons. For example, Jupiter has dozens of moons. Moons can be very different. Some are rocky, some are icy, and some even have an atmosphere or even oceans. Asteroids are smaller objects in space that are rocky and mostly orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are icy objects that orbit the Sun in very elongated orbits. When they get close to the Sun, they heat up and form a tail. Meteors are small pieces of rock or dust that enter Earth's atmosphere. They burn up, creating a streak of light we call a shooting star. If a meteoroid survives the entry and hits the ground, it's called a meteorite. Nebula are giant clouds of gas and dust in space. They're often called star nurseries because new stars are born inside them. Nebula come in many beautiful shapes and colors, often illuminated by the light of nearby stars. Galaxies are huge collections of stars, gas, and dust, all held together by gravity. Our solar system is located in a spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. Galaxies come in different shapes, including spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Black holes are incredibly dense objects with such strong gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape them. They're often formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. While we can't see black holes directly, we can detect them by their effects on nearby matter. Quasars are very bright, distant objects. They are powered by supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies. As material falls into these black holes, it releases huge amounts of energy, making quasars some of the most luminous objects in the universe. A supernova is a powerful and bright explosion of a star. It happens when a star reaches the end of its life. Supernovas can shine as bright as entire galaxies for a short time. The explosion scatters the star's material into space, creating new elements. From tiny meteors to enormous galaxies, space is filled with a huge variety of amazing objects. Astronomers are still discovering new and exciting things, and there will always be more to learn. So keep looking up and exploring the wonders of the universe. Thank you for watching.